Airways policy allows 2 bags per passenger not to exceed 50 pounds each. Baggage exceeding this limit will not be accepted on board Amtrak trains.
Sam. It's the most underwhelming motor ever.
They do not like start very good at it.
You know what we're doing, guys? Second ride.
Oh god, it's so hot.
Would you rather take a second ride on that armor?
Yeah.
This guy got stuck in an arm.
Alright, here we go.
I don't think it's low on oil. I think it's just like
I don't know, man. What are these, Schindlers?
or Fujitex.
Or Fujitex.
This kind of looks like Schindler.
Actually, no, you're right. It's Schindler.
I do like the panels, how they're like, I don't know, angled.
Here, they're Schindler. Here's the spring. And look how many.
Yeah, they're roped hydros. Hey, these are running on a...
Pixel?
Yep. That's Landa tape right there. Cool.